Hey everyone, this is Sandra from Eclipse Growing. So I actually had a few videos, some stuff we were reviewing, ended up not having audio on them. That was my fault for several reasons, but we're gonna go ahead and try to do a really quick recap of what I began and then what's up next. So the first thing is we went ahead and went through the Jiffy grow medium. So in this particular case, little tablets that come in its own little case, and I'll be showing you that here in a second. The discs actually expand quite a bit larger than what it starts at, and then you use the growing medium to start your seeds. The Jiffy brand is something that I generally find most stores very common. Now it's going to be kind of your run-of-the-mill traditional type seed starter stuff, at least in the last few years. This particular kit I actually got from Walmart, and a lot of different stores will carry certain items similar to that. The next thing I actually had was a slight review on some grow lights. Luckily I haven't used this particular one yet, and it's actually the Great Value Walmart brand grow light. So this particular case, it does have some lighting information, both on what spectrum it does, and it's supposed to be full spectrum, but we'll see how that works. And I want to do the grow lights specifically because not all of them are created equal as far as what kind of light it produces, what kind of quality of light, and then not only that, but what's good for what. I mean, I have some bulbs growing, I have garlic growing, so what kind of lights are going to be good for those? We definitely don't want them to be top heavy, so we got to find the right ones for those. With microgreens, that's a big thing in the Netherlands right now, especially with the giant places that they're building right now, due to the fact that they can't grow horizontally anymore because they have a very set amount of land that they can use. So actually building things that are going upwards, and most of their operations are going to be inside. So they do use a lot of artificial lights for their microgreens. Microgreens can include anything like radishes, spinaches, lettuces, anything that you don't need to grow super big. Now, that being said, their grow lights are going to be very different. You know, getting that nice leafy foliage, going, is pretty much all you're looking for. But again, you have different fruiting varieties of vegetables and fruits, and you have just so many different varieties that you're looking for. Like, what kind of lights are going to be the best for the biggest, brightest flowers? Because I have some sunflowers that are actually growing right now. So all of this stuff is what we're going to be looking at as far as the grow lights and the medium are concerned. If you want to go ahead and see what we're doing, I'll throw another video out there to show the results of the several plants that I've already started. So hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you next time.